This laptop made the AI PC experience a lot more accessible. Welcome to a new ASUS India video. I am Pranav Hegde and today with me we have the new ASUS Vivobook 16. For starters, this new ASUS AI PC is designed with mobility in mind. The Vivobook 16 is just 1.79 cm thin and 1.88 kg light, allowing you to get more stuff done while on the go. And thanks to its US military-grade certification, it's tough enough to handle any bumps along the way. The Vivobook 16 is also future-proof when it comes to connectivity. There are two high-performance USB 4 Type-C ports that support high-speed data transfer, display output, and power delivery. These are balanced with two versatile USB 3.2 Type-A ports, a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, and the 3.5mm audio combo jack. Open it up and you get a large 16-inch 16:10 Full HD Plus display. This means more screen for studying, for work, or for even a better media experience at home. The TUV Rhineland certified display also reduces blue light and flickers, letting you work, play, or binge watch for hours without any eye strain. We say for hours because the Vivobook 16 delivers an exceptional 27 hours of battery life. With the Snapdragon X processor and a 45 TOPS NPU, this machine is also ready for all Copilot Plus AI features. As an ASUS next-level AI PC, the Vivobook 16 also comes with some exclusive features like the ASUS StoryCube app to manage and edit your photos and videos. Asking Copilot to do something for you is as easy as pressing the Copilot key on the Ergosense keyboard. There's also a massive touchpad with smart gesture support, letting you easily adjust volume, brightness, or even control playback. The Vivobook 16 has many security and privacy features like an FHD IR camera with a privacy shutter, Windows Hello support, and more. To summarize, the Vivobook 16 is designed for you to work faster, smarter, and more securely. With a sleek design, powerful performance, excellent battery life, and the latest AI features, the Vivobook 16 is more versatile while still being an affordable AI PC.